Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful crocodile stitch. It is also known as dragon scale stitch. For this, we are using yarn and a crochet hook. To do this crocodile stitch, the foundation chain should be multiple of 6 plus 4. So start with a slip knot. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do any multiple of 6 plus 4 based on the project which we are going to do. I'll be doing 28 chain. Multiple of 6 is 24 plus 4 it is 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After doing 28 chain it looks like this. Next we are going to work in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. This 3 chain, it acts as the first double crochet, and next we have done another double crochet. Next chain 1. Next skip 2 stitch. 1, 2. Third stitch you are going to do double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Next chain 1. Next skip 2 chain. 1, 2. Do 2 double crochet in the third stitch. 1 and do 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 1. Next skip 2 stitch. 1, 2 and do a double crochet in the third stitch. Chain 1. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow till you reach the end. That is, you are going to skip 2 stitch, do 2 double crochet in the third stitch, chain 1. Skip 2 stitch, do 1 double crochet in the third stitch, chain 1. After doing them, it looks like this. We started with 2 double crochet. Same way we are going to end with 2 double crochet. If you start with a single double crochet, we have to end with single double crochet. For next row, do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we are going to do the crocodile stitch. So turn your work like this. We are going to work middle of this 2 double crochet. This chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. Next we are going to work sideways. You are going to do 4 double crochet. So yarn over, you have to insert it between these 2 double crochet and you have to do like this. So 1, we have to do 4 double crochet. So totally you will be having 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next chain 1. Turn your work like this, and in the next double crochet you are going to do 5 double crochet. How we did the other side. So we have to insert between these 2 double crochets and do a double crochet. We are going to do 5 double crochet. So if you see, it looks like this. Next, if you see here, this is the single double crochet which we done in the previous round. So on top of this, you are going to do a slip stitch. So insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is how the crocodile stitch looks. So we are going to repeat the pattern. So for next, you are not going to do chain 3. So we are going to work in this 2 double crochet. So you are going to do 5 double crochet here by inserting it between these 2 double crochet, and you are going to do 5 double crochet. After doing 5 double crochet, do chain 1, and next 5 double crochet you are going to do in the next double crochet. And to finish this, you are going to do a slip stitch in this single double crochet which we done. You insert the hook the top of the stitch and do a slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So if you see, we have done 2 crocodile stitch. So you have to follow this pattern till you reach the end. That is, do 5 double crochet between these 2 double crochet on the top of this double crochet, then do chain 1 and then do next 5 double crochet on the top of this double crochet and then finish it off using a slip stitch in the next single double crochet. After doing them, it looks like this. In this last crocodile stitch, there is no double crochet left, so we have to finish this row by doing a slip stitch, the last double crochet, and next slip stitch will be doing in the middle here, slip stitch. So now we have completed the first row. For next row, do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, do one more chain, so that is chain 1. Next, you are going to work between these 2 crocodile stitch. You are going to do 2 double crochet. So you are going to insert it here. 1, 2, chain 1. So you are going to repeat this pattern. Do 1 double crochet in the middle of the crocodile stitch, chain 1, and do 2 double crochet between these 2 crocodile stitches, chain 1. So it looks like this. You have to follow this till you reach this end. We have started with 1 double crochet, so we will end it with 1 double crochet. After doing them, it looks like this. For next row, you are going to work in this 2 double crochet. We will skip the first double crochet and do crocodile stitch in this 2 double crochet, how we did in the previous round, by doing 5 double crochet on the top of 1 double crochet, then chain 1 and 5 double crochet on the top of next double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, turn your work here like this, and in the next double crochet you are going to do 5 double crochet and finish it off using a slip stitch in the next double crochet. So after that, next, this is the single double crochet, so you are going to do a slip stitch on top of that. So it looks like this. You have to follow this till you reach this end. After completing the row, it looks like this. For next row, so in this row, if you see, we had a single double crochet here, so we completed using a slip stitch on that single double crochet. For next row, do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This acts as the first double crochet, and do one more double crochet in the same stitch, chain 1, and do 1 double crochet in the middle of the crocodile stitch, chain 1. Next, you are going to do 2 double crochet in the middle of the crocodile stitch, how we did before, 1, 2, chain 1. So you have to follow this pattern till you reach the end by doing 1 double crochet in the middle of the crocodile stitch, chain 1, and do 2 double crochet in between the crocodile stitch and chain 1 till you reach the end. Since we started with 2 double crochet, we have to end here with 2 double crochet. So we'll do 1 double crochet in the middle, and in this last stitch you are going to do 2 double crochet. So we have done till this middle. For the last one, we are going to do 2 double crochet in this last stitch. 1, 2. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, we are going to follow how we did this crocodile stitch, that is by doing chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to work in middle of these 2 double crochet by doing 4 double crochet on the top of the first double crochet. So total you'll be having 5 double crochet, chain 1, turn your work and the side, and in the next double crochet you are going to do 5 double crochet, and you are going to finish this one by doing a slip stitch in the single double crochet, and finish it off by doing a slip stitch in the top of this single double crochet. So it looks like this. This is what we say it as crocodile stitch, otherwise also known as dragon scale stitch. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.